Welcome back to my channel, guys. My name is Henry, and I'm gonna be doing a handcuff and Nerf gun channel. So this is the first Nerf gun. You pull it back and then you shoot. There's three bullets. And then you do this one time, and then you shoot. Let's move on to the next one. This one's a little bit bigger. You pull it back like this. It makes a sound, and then you shoot. I can do it. So you press this button right here, and then it comes out like that. And then you put bullets in, and it spins. And then you lock it. And then you do this, shoot. Let's move on. This one is the same thing as the other one, but the whole thing goes back and then you shoot. So you put a bullet in here. Wait, oh. Here's, I think this is, yeah, that's the, this is how you put the bullets in, and then you lock it, and then shoot. And then this one is a shotgun. You press this button back, and then you shoot. And there's actually a button that you can actually put this back right here. So you put three bullets in. So you put three bullets in, and then you do this, and then you load it, and then you shoot it. Next, this tiny gun, actually. I got this from the Dollar Tree. And it came with 3 bullets. You put the bullets in, 1 bullet at a time. 1 bullet goes in, and then you shoot it. Now next one. Now handcuffs now. I got these off Amazon. They have 2 chains. You do that. You put someone's wrist in.
I tooted that out. I toot too.
And then you lock it so nobody can get out. See how I can't get out? Well, there's actually a trick here. There's a button you press down, and then it lets you go. Same with the other one. And then you fold it.
Well, that works hilarious.
Now next one. Well, this one, this cuff is broken. But the other one is not broken. Put your hand in.
Now I'm going to tell you a secret.
And then you do that. Same thing for the other one. Pull that button, and then it releases your cuff. Now this one. It comes with keys too. One pair of keys. One pair of keys. Before I show you the cuffs, I have a case for it. You unvelcro it, and then you put your handcuffs in. And this part is to attach it to your belt. And then you carry your handcuffs and your keys. Now the keys. These are special. This one is special. As part of the handcuffs. These are real handcuffs. You can actually do this. Or you can do this.
Dad, honestly, I never fall off my bed.
And to lock it in place, I have this little stick on the key. On the side, there's a little thing. This pushes it in. Look. See that?
Just a minute.
I can't get out. But I can you can open it. But you have to do this. Turn this way until it turns a little bit hard, and then you turn this way. Turn. And then you're free. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, comment down below. Give this channel a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. No. Yes. I said you can use it.